Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. We can do it using directly our contact list, so we can block the number which we've got currently saved, or we can do it using the settings, and of course I'll show you both options. So let's begin with the contacts. Let's open the contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and here we have to tap on more options and tap on block contact. As you can see, it's quite easy. Right now this number is blocked, which means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on remove from block list, but let's leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now we can go back, and the second way to block a number is by using the settings, and to do it we have to go to the phone section. So let's tap on it and then tap on the four dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on blocked, and here as you can see we've got the call block rules and message block rules. Of course we can customize them just by tapping here. You can block all incoming calls, block unknown numbers, or private withheld numbers. It's up to you which option you'd like to use, which you'd like to activate. And here we've got message block rules, and here we've got only the block unknown numbers option. So let's get back, and now let's enter the settings right here. As you can see, here we've got again the call block rules and message block rules, which we had on the previous page, so just leave it. And here finally we've got our block list and the trust list. So we are the most interested in the block list. Let's enter, and as you can see right here we've got the number we just blocked from our contacts. We've got also the information how many blocked calls and blocked messages we have, and here we can tap on add, and as you can see we've got a lot of options to choose from. We can add it from messages, from call logs, from the contacts, so what we just did, but this time it is a little bit different because you can block a lot of numbers in a row, so you don't have to do it manually one by one. You can block prefix or add manually. So by tapping on this option you can see that you don't have to have it saved. You don't have to have this number in the call logs, for example. You can just enter it manually, confirm it with OK, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist. We can tap on it, or just tap on it and hold it, and as you can see if you want to remove the numbers, you can tap on it, hold it, and now you can mark them. You can remove them just by tapping on remove, and as you can see the blacklist is empty. So this is how to block and unblock the numbers. And here we've got also the trust list and the keyword block list, which are quite cool options. The trust list is of course the opposite of the block list, and the keyword block list, it's let's enter it. As you can see there are no keywords here, but we can add new ones. So for example we can add, I don't know, the lamp or the weather or whatever. Just tap on OK, and all of the messages which will contain the word lamp will be blocked, which is quite cool, really. Of course, the same situation, you can tap on it, hold it, and remove it if you want to. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.